So here's a C# example of my shopping list app done with Xamarin Forms. We've got the create, there, so we can add things to the list and we can read what the list is. We can update things as well. So by putting the what we want to update something to, and clicking on the edit button of the item we want to update. Also have the delete function, so delete some things like that. So that's the create, read, update and delete covered. This is the first iteration I've done with this, and so there'll be more to come in the future. But also have the in the basket feature, so if you want to keep something on the list down when you get something and put it in the shopping trolley or whatever, click on that, and if you want to keep it in the on the shopping list for the following week, just unclick the box. If not, just delete it. So, as I was saying, this is a C# example Xamarin Forms. The next one I'm wanting to do is the first iteration using React. So sometime over the next few weeks or a couple of months I should have that added to the my collection of shopping lists, and also the code for these I've got on my GitHub under shopping lists. So, and the link to the GitHub's in the description for this video. So thanks for watching.